Hi, I'm Sienna.
And I'm Hannah.
And today we'll be showing you
A no makeup tutorial.
So let's go.
Yeah. Okay, first, you should start to brush your hair and move your hair out of your face before you do any type of makeup.
So first you want to put on the e.l.f. Halo Glow Foundation. Some under the eye, some on your chin, and some on your nose, and some on your forehead.
Okay, so you should get a wet beauty blender and start blending out the parts where you put the foundation. And we're going to put it under the eyes. So what we did here was we took the concealer and then we took some of our Halo Glow foundation and we mixed it together so the concealer didn't look too light on me. Okay, so we take our beauty blender and mix it all up and blend it in my eye area, my chin, and my forehead.
So now we're going to use an eyebrow brush to fluff out the eyebrows.
So we are using the eyebrow filler, so my eyebrows will look fuller, but not as full. And we're just gonna brush out the color of my eyebrows so it looks more smooth.
Now we're going to apply mascara to her eyelashes so it looks prettier and longer.
Now we took my eyelash curler so I could curl my lashes to make them look larger. We're gonna add highlighter to our cheekbones. Add a little bit of the highlighter we put on our cheekbones on our eyes to have a shimmer effect.
So now we're going to put Vaseline on before the lip gloss.
With the Vaseline, we're gonna add lip gloss for our final touch.
And this is the final look.